Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh. Welcome, brothers and sisters, to my channel Faisal Azib. I hope that you are well. Today, it's the last topic about Android course. Yes, it is the last one. Why? Because I think I have showed you a lot of things, and it's important to start a new course, but with a new concept, inshallah, because I have made a lot of mistake in this course. I hope that we will correct them in the next course. I know it's the first for me, but alhamdulillah, I achieve what I want. Is to start the course from zero until the last topic, and I hope the new one will be very good. I have make I don't know if you have seen in my channel. I have added mistake code. Yes, what is it's very important to learn the code to stay motivated, positive and strong always. It's very positive. So I recommend you to see this code, and also I have put them in the new website, practicehr.com. Why? Because the new one I have some problem with the space, so I can't put a lot of image. So it's you must pay more, and I have migrated for the new host provider, where I can put a lot of image than the previous. So for this case, I have created a new one. I hope it is also the last one. So this is another mistake I have made to choose previous provider, but no problem. We learn from our mistake. Okay. So it is between brackets the introduction. Now I will show you how to manage multi-screen mode. I don't know if I have display you what is multi-screen mode. It is, I repeat, it is this concept, display two applications same time. Now I come back directly to Android Studio. So to manage multi-screen mode, you need to make some change in your Android manifest. Okay, you have a lot of change. It's the principal change that you will make here. And activity, it is not important, just to notification to manage the log or anything else. So here what you will do, you will add this variable in application tag Android dot resizable activity and put it true. Okay, it's the first one. And in the activity tag now you added this parameter also, Android dot picture in picture, support picture in picture, sorry, put it in true also, and you will create new tag that is called layout. Yes, because your application will be displayed in part of the screen, so you need layout, specific layout for this, and we will create him like this layout. I don't need this one, and here I put some properties. For example, Android dot what I have now. So we added Android default high. We put it at, for example, 500 dp. Also we have Android gravity. What we put here, I don't know, I don't remember. I will see properties, what we have for gravity, and Android, for example, min width, I put like this, 300 dp. It's an example, huh? For gravity, what can I put for gravity? So in the gravity, it's top, voilà, like this. Now I have added principal thing in the Android manifest. I come back now to my activity to manage. You will see it's very easy, this multi-screen mode. Here I have two methods. I can check in which mode I am. So I have, the first one is if is in this two method, multi-window mode or in picture mode. We have these two type of mode. Here you can check, just put an if, it's boolean. If, sorry, is like this. Here you put just comment, for example, you are in the multi-window mode and do what you want. The same thing, I have another method that you can manage it also for this situation, is in picture mode. Here you are in picture mode. Okay, you have these two predefined method for which mode you are to make some action. What you want, it depends of your specification. What you have also, we can also manage when we are in the, for example, multi-window mode, we can get an action. Okay, we can call an action or listener or what you want. It is predefined also a method that is called, I think, on, not window starting, on multi-window change, this one. Do you see, how is it? You have two, so how is it? Put what you want. Okay, this one, and this method was called when you enter here, just put action to do when you jump to multi-window mode. Here is what you have. We have these two methods predefined, is multi-window mode and is in picture mode. And also you can use a listener predefined buffer in the activity on multi-window mode change. If you balance from the multi-window mode, top, you can call this action, for example. Okay, now I will run the application and I will show you how to activate the enable the multi-window mode. So let's start. And here, normally I have a rectangle, I don't have it, so I just put, oops, not this one, sorry. Where is it? I think I must change the the emulator, because in our, I think in all our Android we have rectangle here. I don't have it, I don't know why. So maybe this one, let's see, I make a long click. No, he doesn't like it. So repeat it. Where is it? Just repeat. I repeat, I come back here. Normally you must press, you make a long press. Okay, in the Android device. So I am trying. I don't know how many times. I don't have it, I don't know why. I don't have it. So I have changed the emulator, yes, because the previous one, I don't have this rectangle. I can't use multi-screen mode without this rectangle. It is in our Android. I don't know why in the Nexus, I think 2, it is 5, I don't know what I have used, Pixel 2 or this one. So one of them I can't have the rectangle. So now, to activate the multi-screen mode, just make long press in the rectangle. Okay, top, do you see? And you have your application. So I will just come back again. I will put it in the real string. Let's, oh yeah, my mouse. Just scroll down to put it again in the full mode. Okay, I just run another application. So maybe map, for example, this one, and I come back. Here we have the both. Now I will make the multi-screen mode to see the difference. Okay, so I make a long press. You see, and here I choose which application I want to make in the same time with my application. That's the simple thing. And here I can come back also as I need. Just scroll down and we come back to the mode, normal mode, in full mode. Thank you a lot of brothers and sisters to follow this course. Yes, it is the last video. I have said before I have no mistake. I hope, inshallah, I will correct them for the new course, and it will be about. I don't know the topic. I'm not focusing on the topic. I can make some video between them. I give you some tips, some very little tutorial or small tutorial, but for the big course, I will think what I will do. But I hope that it will be very useful than this. It's very important for me to correct the mistakes that I have made in this course. I have made lots of mistakes in this course. You know, my English is bad, I know, but for me, alhamdulillah, I have achieved what I want. I have made the course from the zero to the last topic. It is one of my goals, and I achieve it with my bad English, and I achieve it. No problem for me. I correct it. I make higher. I progress to my English, inshallah. Each day I will learn, inshallah. So what can I say also? Go to the new website. I just put the code for this moment, and I will put, as I said before, all this topic, inshallah, that we have said one by one. Each day, when I have time, I will put the data in the website, because I have said this before. Read the doc always. Go always to Stack Overflow if you have any problem, but you must put your location in English, of course. Make an error as me, make a mistake as me, as each person in this life. If you don't make mistake, you don't evaluate. Okay, don't progress. If you make a mistake, it means you will try. You are trying something, and it's very good. Because with this concept, with a mistake, you can progress, inshallah, and you can come, inshallah, professional in which activity you want, inshallah. Okay, so I let you know to make your application. If you need another topic about Android, let this topic in the comment, and I will see if I can make it or no. Don't wait for this. Start your application. Start. I tell you goodbye for the next course, inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.